Hello students, myself Mrs. Sabina Pathan welcomes you all to my YouTube channel SVP Class. Dear students, in the earlier video we have studied F.W.Taylor's scientific management theory. In that we have studied various scientific principles given by Taylor. But the question arises how to apply these principles to make the work more effective and to achieve organizational goal. For that, Taylor has given techniques of scientific management. Techniques means ways of carrying out a particular task. By using various scientific techniques, manager will try to make his work more effective and will achieve goals of the organization. So dear students, in this video we are going to study in detail 6 different techniques of scientific management. For that, do watch the entire video for complete understanding of the topic, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP Class. The first technique of scientific management is work study. It means actual measurement of work to ensure the best possible use of human and material resources in carrying out a specified activity. See here, before assigning the work to the available workforce, proper work study should be done by management. Work study consists of an organized, systematic and critical assessment of the various activities or functions. Here, the main objective of work study is to improve productivity of men, machines and materials and eliminate wastage so that production increases. Work study is also used to determine the standard time required to perform a task. It consists of 4 techniques: time study, method study, motion study and fatigue study. Now we will discuss all these 4 techniques in detail. Time study. It is a technique of observing and recording the time taken by an employee to complete a given task. It is used for fixing the standard time required to do a particular task under given condition. It is useful to measure the efficiency of an employee and to control the cost of work. Here, under time study, the observer records the actual time taken to do a particular task by using stopwatch or computerized study board, and then standard time is fixed to perform a task, which will help to measure the efficiency and to eliminate wastages. Next is method study. Here, for best quality and cost effectiveness, identifying the best method of doing a particular job is very important but challenging task for a manager. It helps in reducing the wastage of time, raw material and in improving the utility of all resources as per predefined objectives, and also in determining the methods for handling the raw materials, transportation, inspection, storage, etc. Dear students, here for best quality output and to minimize the cost of production, manager uses various methods to perform a job, which ultimately helps in reducing wastage of time and resources as well. Next is motion study. Motion means movement of an employee as well as of machines while completing a particular task is very important. It is helpful in eliminating unnecessary motions and finding the best method of doing a particular job, and also helps in improving the efficiency of the employees as well. Motion techniques is used to know whether some elements of a job can be eliminated or their sequence can be changed for smooth flow of task. Here, with the help of motion study, unnecessary use of machinery and unnecessary movements by employees are to be eliminated to bring effectiveness in work. Even sequence of work can also be changed for smooth flow of task. Next one is fatigue study. Fatigue means tiredness or lot of exertion. Here, if employees are working for a long time without break, or a few employees are targeted, or they are pressurized with a workload, poor working condition, use of heavy working tools, all this results into physical and mental stress, that is fatigue, which adversely affect on the efficiency level of the employees. So, before assigning work to the employees, manager should take these steps to reduce the level of fatigue to bring effectiveness in work. Second technique is standardization of tools and equipment. With the result of experiments conducted at workplace, Taylor advocated standardization of tools and equipment. Standardized working environment and method of production helps to reduce spoilage and wastage of material, cost of production, fatigue among the workers, and it improves quality of work. See here, it is one of the important element of scientific management. Here, Taylor gives emphasis on use of standard tools and equipment to perform the work in a best way. Use of standard tools and equipment helps to reduce wastages of resources. It reduces the burden of work from employees and also helps to improve the quality of work. Now, third technique is scientific task setting. Here, scientific work setting is important to prevent the employees from doing work much below their capacity. By using this technique, employees will complete the task according to standards given, and management can keep proper control on optimum utilization of workforce. See students, it is very essential to set standards before assigning tasks to the employees. If the standards are not maintained, the employees will work below their capacity. So there will be no proper utilization of human resources. So to make proper use of manpower, the task should be set scientifically. Fourth technique is scientific selection and training. Management can select right person for the right job by using scientific selection procedures. Employees are selected according to predetermined standards in an impartial way. After selection, management should provide the proper training programs to increase their efficiency. Here, the management should design the proper way of selecting employees. Even management should give training to employees as per changes in the business environment, which helps to improve their performance. And while selecting employees, there should not be any partiality among them. Here, right person for the right job must be selected based on his qualification, skill, and expertise knowledge. Now, fifth technique is functional organization. In this concept of Taylor, Planning is separated from implementation. Thus, every worker will be supervised by two different sets of supervisor. Here, in Taylor's functional organization, planning is separated from execution. To make the work more effective, he recommended 8 supervisors at various aspects of production. At planning level, 4 supervisors, and at implementation level, 4 supervisors. 4 supervisors at planning level. First one, route clerk, who will tell how work moves from one machine to other. Instruction clerk will record instructions to complete the work. Time and cost clerk will determine time in which work should be completed and work out the cost. Discipline supervisor will ensure that the workers are working as per factory rules. Then at implementation level, again 4 supervisors will be there. Gang boss, who will see actually gets the work done. Speed boss ensures that the work is completed in a specified time. Repair boss handles the security and maintenance of mechanism, and inspector will ensure that the work is done as per the specified standard. Sixth technique is differential piece rate wage plan. Here, remuneration should be fixed in such a way that average worker is motivated to attain a standard output. Higher rates are offered to employees who complete the work more than the standard quantity under this system. On the other hand, if an employee is performing below the standard, he shall be given lower rate of wages. This technique motivates the employee to attain higher standard performance and earn wages, that is, remuneration at higher rate. Dear students, in this technique, Taylor suggested that there should be two piece work rate. One is lower and other is higher. It means if employee will work above the standard or better for the organization, then he will be paid higher rate of wages. And if employee will work below the standard, then he will be paid lower wages. This technique helps to motivate the employees for better performance in the organization. Dear students, if you think this video is helpful, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP Class. Thank you and stay connected with me for more videos.